Hey guys, okay, so you are going to complete everything on iExcel for this video. So this video is to show you how to, here, let me see. This video is going to show you how to get your task done on iExcel. Here we go. Sorry, here. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so you're going to go to iExcel.com. Okay, remember that iExcel to log in, this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so your login is going to be your first name initial. So if my name is Marlene, it's going to be M, and then doesn't matter if it's lowercase or uppercase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Some of you guys have 6 zeros. You know who you are. And then your classroom number, and then at Curtis middle. Okay, your password to log in is going to be your 7 zeros and then your class number. Okay, some of you guys have what we would call a fake ID. I already gave you those names and those passwords, so just go ahead and log in to those accounts and I will transfer the points, so do not worry. So just go ahead and log in with the name that you have and the password that you have. Okay, so again, you know who you are. Okay, so then let's go back to iExcel. Okay, so you're going to go to your Google Classroom. In your Google Classroom, the assignments are going to be posted. Okay, so you're going to complete the Q series, Q. So you're going to go to, don't worry, it's going to be in your Google Classroom. Here are the names of the ones that you're going to complete. So Q1 right here, it looks like this. We're not going to practice right now. So you should have already watched your video on Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle talked about this. Also, your notes from yesterday talk about this. So if you're confused, use your notes. Okay? So you're going to do Q1, Q2. Remember, what are the domain and range? Domain is all the X numbers. So what are your X coordinates? 18, 18, and negative 20. How about your range? Range is all the Y's, 0, negative 1, and 0. But remember, you don't have to repeat the numbers. You're not going to do Q3, you're going to do Q4. Which one is a function? Okay, do the vertical line test. Can your X's repeat? That's Q4. And I'm going to be showing you, okay, so Q5 is easy. Does this graph, is it a function? Does it pass the vertical line test? That's Q5. So you're going to do Q5 as well. Okay, find the values. Okay, let me see. Evaluate a function. Okay, so here we go, guys. I'm going to show you how to do these. Q9. Okay, complete the function table from a graph. Okay. So I'm going to take a screen. Actually, I don't think I need to take a screenshot of this. Looks like my Wi-Fi is going really slow. I'm not sure why. Give me 1 second. Maybe if I go back, click on it again. All right, here we go. So it says complete a function table from a graph. Let's see here. Use 2 fingers to scroll the question. Okay, so use the graph to complete the table. Okay. Oops, my bad. I've never used this here, guys. So here we go. This right here is the part that you have to answer. When X is 1, what did we get? We got 7. So look at your X. Here's 1. So go up, 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 up. And where does it land? On the y-axis? 7. So when X is 1, right? Let me go ahead and erase all this. When X is 1, what do we get for Y? Right? There's the point. So when X is 1, Y is 7. When X is 4, right? When X is 4, right, you go up. What is Y? 6. So there it is. See? 6. Now the next one. When X is 7, we're 7. Here's X is 7, right? What is your Y? What is your Y? So you go up. You go up. Boom, right here until you hit the line. And what is that? It's 5. So all you have to do is, I don't know, put a 5 here. I guess I should put a 5. Okay, submit. Awesome. Okay, so that's pretty simple. Okay, so all you have to do is know if you input 5. Okay, where's 5? 4, 5. Here's 5. What did you get for y? So there's 5. When x is 5, what is y? It's 4. Okay, so you're gonna go here, 4. Submit. All right. So you just keep going. So again, this is I don't know why it's doing that. I don't want it to move. It's not using my my Apple Pencil very well. When you're gonna do Q.9, and all you do is find the y value. Okay, guys. All right, that's Q.9. Okay, Q.10. Complete the function table from an equation. Okay, so here we go. From an equation. This is where you plug in, guys. When x is 0, what is y? Okay, what is y? So here's what you do. If I give you the function, here's your function, is x plus 7, right? Remember, you're going to need some scratch paper. Okay, so you should be on what? Page 17 and 18? Okay, so scratch work is page 16 and 17. So here we go, guys. When x is what? Okay, what are we going to say x is? Dang, I can't choose my own colors. That's not cool. When x is 0, so what do? Take your function, put a 0 inside. Every time you see this little x right here, what's going to go inside here? Well, it's going to be a 0. Don't forget to use your parentheses. So when x is 0, what's 0 plus 7? 7. So when the function is 0, we get 7. So what goes in here? A 7. Okay, now this one. Okay, this one. Let me erase all that. Now we have to do the work all over again. Or you could do it in your head, right? You know that, what is your function? You take your x and you add 7. You take your x, 1 plus 7 is what? 8. So 8 goes here. Okay, next one. What's your x? 2. Plus what? 7. What does that equal? 9. So this is 9. Okay, what's the next one? 3. When x is what? 3. Then what are you going to do to your 3? You're going to add 7. So what is it? 10. Okay. So there you go, guys. So all you're going to do is substitute, okay? This is called substitute. They are going to get a little harder, so just kind of be careful. Okay, so anyways, let's say you do get it wrong. Look at this example. You see how x is blue? Right here? What did they substitute? 0. And what's 0 plus 7? 7. And that's what we got. Okay, next one. They do the next one for you. Okay, when x is 1, right? That's our next x input. What's 1 plus 7? 8. See? So please make sure that you go ahead and that you read the instructions. Okay? Same thing here. What are you doing to your x? Okay, so you're going to take away 2. Take your x and take away 2. What's my first x? 2. Take away 2. 0. So that's 0. Okay, what's my next x? 4. What are you going to do? Take away 2. It equals 2. So this is 2. Okay, what's your next x? 6. 6. What do you do to your 6? Right? What do you do to your input? You take away 2. That's 4. Okay? Alright, so we're done with that one. Okay. What do you do to your x? You multiply by 3. Right? You take your x and you multiply by 3. Okay, well, what's your first x? 0. That's your first input. What's 3 times 0? 0. Okay, next one. What's 3 times 1? 3. Next one. What's 3 times 2? 6. Do you see how I'm just plugging in for my value of x. Okay, all right, we're done. Okay, next one. Yeah, we're not doing this one. All right, so I think you should be able to do Q6. Find the values of the function using graphs. Okay, just in case I give you this, I'm not sure if I'm going to assign it. So what is the y value of this point? So plot the point on this function with an x value of 1. So when x is 1, where's 1? Boom. Right there. What is the value of y at this point? Isn't it 9? When x is 1, what is y? 9. That's pretty simple. Okay, I should assign this one. Okay, so plot the point of the function with a value of a y value. Be careful, a y value of 6. So this is your y. These are all your y's. So when your y is 6, okay, what is your x? Isn't it 5? Right? Where do they meet up? Right there. So wouldn't it be 5? So it's kind of backwards, huh? Okay, so now this one. Plot the point on this function with an x value of 6. X. So go find your x. Value of 6. Here I am. Now where does it hit? That x goes to what? 8, right? So we go right here. 8. So, right, we're going to say that 6 is related to 8. We're going to say that 6, right, homeboy 6 right here, remember? These are your x's. 6 goes to who? Goes to 8. This is called a relation. Oops. It's not going to take my answer? Oh, you have to put the point, guys. Don't forget. Come on. You have to put the point. You have to move the point. Okay? All right. I think you guys get it. And I'm done with this video. All right. So don't forget that you're going to do the Q series. I'll assign them on iExcel. You're going to do SMART score of 80.